Hi CAA agents, I have created this app for you to make your work comfortable and easily. Since most of your staff is non-technical and make a lot of mistakes, this app will help to reduce mistakes 90% because in this app there are a lot of functions which help to make W-7 form and COA form and other forms very accurate. Let's proceed with W-7. When you click on it, then you will see your recent applications. You can zoom there, you can print here, you can even rename here, and you can do change your status, reviewing, printed, and so on. And also you can delete, but you know that these forms are very important, so not so without admin your team members can't be delete any form. So I will talk about this later, but now let's start new application. Now here, first of all, you will see application details. You will select either apply for new or renew an existing ITIN. Then you will came here on A to H options. When you select this one, you can put something here and they will generate accordingly. If you change this one, so for option B there is no need of any requirement, so the blanks are gone. When you come on D, when dependent of US citizen, resident alien, you will need to put something here, relationship, your name and SSS or ITIN. Similarly, these all functions are created here. So let's start with this H option. So first of all, you will put your addresses like I have put my own. So so here you will see that you have written in small letters, but on form they will automatically on alphabetical letters. So let's proceed. Here you will option to use a different name, birth name is different, then you can make check it. After that you have a auto mail address option because it is a repeated task, so I have arranged it in a admin portal where admin can uh, change or paste his own mailing address. Like there are still other address, mailing address. So when you put this one, till will, then this will create. So here you will see that the address are automatically here. Again, foreign address you have to put let's say something uh, yeah, okay. So now here you can put your date of birth and select your gender, and after that you will need to put something like this. So you have foreign tax ID, put here. If you have visa, put something here. And if you select here passport or driver license, then it will vanish. So let's select with if you select other, then it will appear here another blank, so you can put something here. So I will choose passport and issue any number and date of birth, date of expiry, say. So entry date into yes. If you do not applicable for this, then just select here NA. Now if you have previous ITIN, make sure it will you sure that you can put here your existing ITIN number. If you don't have, then just leave it alone. Sign here, yeah, it's important for anyone but who can't use and can use it easily. So here profile 1 and profile 2, if you have multiple agents in one company, then you can use their profiles in two. So like I have profile 2, then I will suggest like this. They will how where this is information available, this all information is available on admin portal. So let's save. Here you see that the following compulsory fields are missing. Foreign state means I have leave the foreign state. So let's go where foreign state here. So I will put empty and let's move here. Let's go next. Okay, here passport you already submitted here, so there is also name you don't need to change and autofill, yeah, here you can autofill and agreement date you can put here and let's do it. Okay, so you can choose many of according to the application. So after that you will go here, you will see any changes you can't make it, so you will update to go there. Just go back to here PTIN, that is numbers to 8, so I put here number and just move to word, so this option is vanished. So now here you can preview your document. Look at this, all things are prepared accurately. So this app will help you a lot. You will see. Let's do print it. Let's go. Here you will see you have all the things available: name, my name, street, address, all the things, and all the things you have. So it's very easy to use, and non-technical team members can also use it very easily. So hope you like it. I will share another video so that you can understand this app properly. The next video is on admin portal setting, and we will meet here. Have a nice day. Thank you.